Show you how to make this origami beating heart, and then it actually beats, look, and it makes a pretty cool sound like an actual beating heart. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. If you have one piece of square paper, you can make 2 beating hearts, because you need half of a piece of paper, square piece of paper, just to make 1 beating heart. So I'll rip it in half. Alright, like that. And then now, put it like this and fold it in half. Crease. Now you want to hold these 2 corners down and fold this one over here so that they don't move. Like that. Now you want to unfold it and flatten it out first, and then now you put your finger in here, and then you just go like that, and then you want to push this down to make a petal fold. You need to make it all good, and then flatten it out, and then just put it down so that these 2 lines, this one and that one, align to each other. Like that. Like that. Try to make it as neat as possible so that it'll look better and it'll beat better. Now, you want to fold these 2, this one, down, like that. Like an airplane fold on these 2 on the crease that you just made. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Like that. And then, so just fold this to the middle. Now this part's like the hardest. You just need to unfold this. And then just like, so you see this crease right here? You need to like bring that and then just like fold it over here. And then just like bring it down here. So it's like that. Same on the other side. You just like fold it up here and just like pinch on this crease. And then, so it will be like this, where this flap is pointing that way. You have to push it this way. Like that. So this part's really hard. Yeah. So it's like that. And just to show you guys that this crease right here you're not going to fold down on that one. So those are just going to be like the markers that you're going to use. So it should be like this. Now turn it over, and then you see this crease. You just unfold on that crease. Like that. To make a square shape. And flatten everything out. Now, you see these two flaps? You want to just fold this one down so that this edge meets with this edge. Like that. And same on the other side. Like that. And then now, I'm going to fold this and that in here, but leave a little bit of space, like a few millimeters. And you want this corner and this corner to line up. Like pretend that there's an imaginary line. And then, you want to fold these two inside to get like a kind of heart shape. Now lastly, you just want to round everything out. Like that. So yeah, and you could just like keep just like round it off until you think it's good. And then also round these two corners because to get the heart shape. Like that. Yeah. And then to beat it, just turn it around, unfold this flap, and then just like put your fingers, thumb and index all the way inside here, and just push. So then you'll just beat like. And yeah, that's how you make a beating heart. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there's this really cool gaming channel. It's my friend's. Go check it out. I'll put the link in the description. Go help him get 100 subs. Yeah. He posts really cool videos of gaming. And then, yeah, go subscribe. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace.